In 1896, the Battle of Adwa marked a pivotal moment in African history when Ethiopia, led by Emperor Menelik II, successfully resisted Italy's colonial ambitions. Italy, aiming to expand its empire, attempted to manipulate a treaty, but Menelik rejected it, leading to war. Menelik united Ethiopians from across the country, raising a vast army to defend their homeland. On March 1st, 1896, despite Italy's modern weapons, the Ethiopian forces used their knowledge of the terrain to outmaneuver and decisively defeat the Italian army, capturing thousands. This victory not only secured Ethiopia's independence, but also inspired anti-colonial movements across Africa, cementing the Battle of Ottawa as a powerful symbol of resistance and unity against foreign domination. ሰው ሞቷል ሰው ሊያድን ሰውን ሲያከብር በደግነት በፍቅር በክብር